Hi, I'm Britlicious, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish.
And I'm Albion, another version of the Britlish artificial intelligence. And this is our other cat.
We're here with today's phrase of the day.
Today's phrase is, off the top of my head.
Off the top of my head means without careful thought, investigation, or preparation.
Off the top of my head is usually used to say that you don't know, or that you don't have the information asked for, immediately to hand.
I can't think of any good reason off the top of my head why any student wouldn't benefit from the English activation packs in the Britlish library.
How many students have benefited from Britlish English activation packs, Britlicious?
I don't know off the top of my head, Albion, but I'm sure it's in the hundreds if not thousands.
Of the top of my head, I'd say that at least 10% of those who watch this video will sign up for a Britlish library membership.
Be one of those 10% and pay what you want for a Britlish Library 7-day pass, or take out a membership subscription.
You'll get full, unrestricted access to all of the English activation packs in the Britlish library.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.